fries, and orange juice. Since this is a casual meal, we will use a basic informal table setting.
First, place the dinner plate at the center of the setting.
Make sure it is 1 inch
From the edge.
from the edge. Next,
Place the napkin.
may mga links na.
You may position it on the right, under the fork, on the left side, holding the plate under the fork. All folded details are
For burger and fries, utensils are optional, since burgers are often by hand. However, for a proper table setting, place the fork on the left side of the plate. Place the knife on the right side of the plate, with the blade facing the plate. If fries are served separately or with the sauce, the fork will be useful.
Place the juice glass on the upper right side.
The upper
Sa kabila, anak.
sa top ng knife. Make sure that the knife is slightly above the glass. Jerome.
Facing.
Make sure that all items are aligned neatly, the spacing is even, the table is clean and organized.
Proper arrangement summary. Plate, center, fork, left, knife, right. Make sure that the blade is facing the plate. Glass, upper right, napkin, left or side on the top of the table. Dipping utensil on the top of the glass. This basic table setting is suitable for casual dining or snack service. Even for simple meals like burger and fries, proper table setting shows cleanliness, organization, and good dining etiquette. Thank you.